Picking up this rice because like my cousin's doing this girl hair. She talking about like the 911 rice here is good, and she had it like medium. So that joint was pretty spicy, really good. I like me a good spice, so about to pick it up. Should be ready by now. Pick up for Fowler, Rhodesia.
Okay, yes, definitely. Rhodesia, Fowler.
Yes. Alright.
We're going to pick as I said.
Thank you. You too. Have a good one. Oh, you go ahead. Thank you. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. 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 This joint hot. I ain't gonna lie. This joint ought to be good. Let's hope. I don't know how this thing gonna look. We're gonna see. Got a couple more minutes till we gotta go to work, so why not test it out? Test this joint out, man. Also, it's the weekend. I should have never got it on the weekend, but I want to try it. See what it hitting on. Alright, put the window down. Too hot for this. Ooh, can't wait to get this car, man. Soon, boy, soon. Alright, y'all, we about to try this joint here. It's only like 5 minutes from the job, so it's 5:33. Woo! Boy, that joint look good. So I got tofu, jalapenos, tomatoes, peppers, and got a little lime. It got like a lime in here. Hey, I try this joint. Let me show y'all what this joint looking like. So yeah, so that's the tofu. See jalapenos, cucumbers, peppers, you know, all some good veggies. And that's the line right there. So you know, good thing, good stuff. Let's try this. Oh yeah, she kicking. She kicking like a mother. This joint is kicking. I'm gonna try with some more rice. Okay. That's how you know it's spicy. When I do a hiccup. I don't know how this condition. When it's really spicy, I get hiccups. Yeah, this is something you don't play around with. Woo! Yeah, I got this joint medium. This joint whoop my ass. Back over here tonight. At least the air quality went back to normal. Very happy about that. I uploaded a video, my vlog today a little earlier. I knew it was gonna rain and stuff, though. Ain't with no complications. Alright, y'all. I'm about to eat this a little bit more. Head on to work. And yeah, see y'all here a little bit.